Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are fine. So, guys, I think you will understand the reason why I'm saying you guys must have the books. You see, this strategy that I'm going to show you today, stay in the book. Because if you don't know exactly what is happening in UK49, trust me, you will play UK49 for 10 years without even winning any of their draws. Why? Because they say their draws are generated, but I say they are not. Understand? Because there's a reason. If we calculate the numbers, we find out that the numbers are coming. It means this thing, they also predict it on their own. Yes, when we see that machine popping up those balls, we think it's predicted. It's generated randomly, but it's not. I deny that. So this is what you're going to do. You see, these are previous results. Lunchtime from yesterday. So this is what you do. As I've highlighted there, you just multiply by 2. When you multiply by 2, you see there's a 16, there's a 24, there's a 36, there's a 42, there's a 74, there's an 80, there's a 92. So according to your mind, if you see a 92, you must know that it's a 29 or a 26. So meaning that our bonuses, they'll range from 26 to 29. And then it's a 92. You also have to do this 9 plus 2 to give you an 11. If you separate, it gives you a 7. So it means there's a possibility of bonuses to go from 7 to 11 or 26 to 29 for China. I hope I'm clear there. And then if you see a 74 like there, it means it's a 47. An 80, it means it's an 8. A 42 is a 42. And now there's a 42 and a 24 there. So it means those numbers, they are clicking and they are powerful. Then there's a 16 again there. But the 16, they'll spin it around and make it a what? A 19. The 24 is a 42. 36 is a 39. 42 is a 24. So do you see that the 24 is powerful? This is just to guide you on which numbers are going to play before you even break the code. And then when you are done, you go down there. You take the fourth digit, which was 21 there. You multiply it by 7. This is the formula. It's not like you won't understand when I say 7 times 12 plus 49. It's a formula. It gives me a 28. I mean a 208, which is a 28. When you subtract, which is a 12. It's either 12 or 21. So I'll stick to 12 and 28 there. If you add both those numbers, they give you a 10. But a 10, I think it came, when was it? A few days ago. Okay, then when you're done, you go again to the bonus ball. The bonus ball was 46 last night. So you use the formula, apply the same formula, you're gonna get 383. Meaning that 38 is there. 3 plus this one, it gives you 42, which is a 24. If you separate, it gives you 35. Clear. And if you check there, there's a 33. So these are the highlights of the book. These are the highlights of the book that I've worked on. So what I'm going to do, we're now going to break our codes as usual. I've already said there's 28 there. There's 20. There's 38. There's 3. There's 33. At the bottom there, the ones in the bottom is a 3, 2, 2. So when you add, you get a 34, which is a 43. If you subtract, you get a 30, which is a 3. If you check inside, there's a 32, which is also having a 22. That is a code. Code are there to guide us on what to play. Don't just play numbers because they say it's randomly generated. Never. That will never happen. Trust me. Unless maybe something else. But if it's UK, be careful there. The last code is 138, which is, if I have to add, it gives me 39. 39, that's a 36. Did you see this 36 there when I multiplied? If you separate, it's a 37. 37, yes. And then if you say 13 plus 8, it says 20, let me see, it's 21, which is a 12, the one that I spoke about earlier on. If you subtract, it gives you a 5. and then now you add everything inside. 1 plus 3 is a 4. 4 plus 8 is a 12. So a 12 is an accurate number for that. And then remember the 26 on the bonus section, 26 or 29 on the bonus section, on the bonus section. Guys, there's a lot to learn in this gambling thing. It is really, the image of gambling is like it's generation of numbers, but it's not. Behind the scenes, there are so much calculations that people don't know, which you guys have to know. So yeah, I think this is a accurate video for UK49 today. As you have seen, I said we use previous results to get this. Once you get this, you're now having a light on where am I going now. For you to get these codes, you see there are so many codes that I use on this draw UK49. I don't use one code. In UK49 they can use 7 strategies to come up only with 3 numbers. Trust me on that. So it is a game of win or lose. It's not like Ghost Lotto, Mega Million, but UK is different. And so, as you see, I do have a WhatsApp group. I do have the books that I did write. The reason why I wrote the books, I cannot reveal all the information that I know about this gambling thing on this platform. Why? Because they will see and then they will change. When they change, we'll start losing. You understand? So the reason why we do the books in our own private groups is because of that. So we can also survive. Because you know, this is where we live. We live by gambling. So yeah, guys, what else did I want to mention? Today, I guess we are having Mega Millions and Powerball. I'll try by all means to make sure I give you guys a Mega Million video, but later, not now. For now, focus on UK49s. Then you're gonna be fine. So yeah, guys, I don't know, is this number clear at the bottom? It is clear. Let me just rewrite it again. It's for WhatsApp only, it's not for calls. 078 126 0741. But there's a link that is there at the bottom. You'll see when you check the comments, you'll see the first person to comment is me, and then there's a link there. Why I created the link so that you don't struggle to it, because someone maybe who is not in South Africa, he cannot be able to put this number on WhatsApp without the code, you see, because everything is just coding. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you later.